Welcome to the YouTube channel of Tech Host. I'm your Alok and you're watching Tech Host YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how can you install Programmer C++ in your desk. So it is free and available for all the source and means Windows and Mac OS. Open in a web browser and search for turboc8.com. So it is a website that provides you to download the Programmer C++, and this is a website. So you can see this is a website of Programmer C++. You can download over here. There are some of the tutorial are given down of the page. If you want to watch, you can watch it. So click on the download tab on the top of the website over here, and you get a page for selecting which download you want, means you are 64-bit or 32-bit. It is also available for Android versions. So get this page and click over here. This is a link actually. So clicking on that, it started downloading. As you can see here, it is approximately 5 MB. After downloading, click on open it. Okay, downloaded. Just simply open it. So this is the application. Double click on that and start. Okay, this is you have to give some permission for installing the programmer. So, okay, avoided the problem. And okay, this next you can read it if you want and agree the next, and I started installing. So it is free source and it is approximately 5 MB. It is very small. Installing. So you can install it and click on finish, and it will launch Turbo C++ Programmer. Okay. So guys, if you like the video, please hit the like button. So this is the Programmer C++. It is by Yogendra Singh, I think, Yogisoft. Okay. So this is our interface. You want to create some windows, you can see. So I am opening for the first time. I just simply exit it. So where is exit button? I think file. Okay, there is a alt. Okay, not exit. So this is also command line. You can also edit here also. So I simply click on alt X. Okay, it's not working again. Alt X. It also not working. Okay, sorry. Hit accept. So quit. Okay, this is a command. If you don't know any command, just click on just type the help and click enter. You get all the command which you need. So exit is correct. So by this you can also do any stuff in the Programmer C++. If you like this video, please like us and subscribe our channel.